Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to sit down and do a little tutorial for you guys. I really wanted to recreate this Instagram picture right here. It was a look that I didn't film. It was one of those days where I just felt really gross and ugly and I just wanted to put some makeup on and take some pictures. Yeah, it's a pretty dark makeup look, but I really love how that look turned out, so I wanted to show you how I did it and also to show you how I achieved that wet hair type of look. I know I chopped off all my hair, but I think we can still make it work. It's fine. For this look, I'm also wearing my blue contact lenses and I'll have a link for those down in the description. But this is just what I wore for that look. So let's just get into it. Well, oh shit. So I'm gonna be priming my face with the TooFaced Primed and Peachy Cool Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I've been using this and I've been loving it so much. This was actually a little gift from one of you guys, a subscriber, Christina. If you haven't seen that, I posted it on my Instagram. She was so sweet. She sent me a little box of a lot of makeup and yeah, I was speechless. I was kind of shook, to be honest. Shout out to you, Christina, if you're watching this. So I'm just gonna be applying this on my T-zone. This is infused with peach and sweet fig cream. Girl, it smells so nice. I'll be moving on to foundation. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Custard. I'm just going to be contouring wherever I want a little bit more definition. Setting everything with the Cover FX translucent setting powder. I'm also going to be setting my smile lines a little bit. So I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit, and while I do that, I'm just going to be bronzing up my face with, you know what I'm using, okay? If you've been watching me for a while, you know what I'm using. I'm just taking a little bit of blush. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and just smiling a bit. So then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and this is a liquid highlighter. Going to be doing my brows. I'm going to be conditioning my brows with the Browvo Conditioning Primer by Benefit. Whoa, that's a lot. And I'm just going to be putting this in the brows. And I'm just going to be filling in my brows with my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this is in the number 6. Now for the eyes, I kept it really simple with just some eyeshadow and mascara. So I'm going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be taking Raw Sienna, which is this one right here. I'm just going to put this all over my lid and kind of focus it on my crease. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Ooh, what's up? Okay, I'm back. I'm almost done with the look. All I have to do is apply the lipstick that I was wearing. This is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Vixen. Let's go. Now I want to be super careful with this. Okay, so we're gonna finish this off with the All Nighter setting spray. This is probably one of my favorite setting sprays. Just gonna awesome. Now that the makeup is done, I'm gonna be moving on to my hair. For the wet hair look, it really depends on your hair type, but mine is kind of straight, kind of wavy, kind of frizzy. All I'm gonna be doing is I'm actually gonna wet my hair. Yeah, let's just do that. I'm gonna wet my hair real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I wet my hair a little bit. First, I'm going to be putting in some hair gel. Oh, that sounds disgusting. Ew. I'm just gonna be working this through my hair and kind of scrunching it up. Just put as much as you think you need. I think I'm okay with this now. Now I'm just gonna finish that off with some hairspray. I know this is gonna make your hair like stiff as a rock, but it's a one-time thing, it doesn't matter. Yes. I really love how this look turned out. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram if you want. This is my username, so you can check out the post of this look right here. I also post a lot of similar photos, so I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me and what I do. And I hope I see you in my next video. That's it for today. Bye.